One question I get from pretty much everyone who buys a marble statue from us is, how do I clean it? How do I take care of it? And the best thing about a marble statue is you don't really have to do anything if you don't want to. These statues are hand carved from one solid block of white marble. There's really nothing that's gonna damage them or destroy them or decay them. Nothing's gonna rust, nothing's gonna rot. These are solid stone. But the one thing you may wanna do is clean them. Typically you wanna ask yourself first, do I really wanna clean them? Sometimes the dirt collects in them and gives them an almost antique feel, and some people like that. So I think that's a question you should ask yourself first: is does the statue really need cleaning? But say if like this statue, if you want to come up here, it's dirty. We just sold this statue, so we're gonna clean it for the customer. It's dirty. This statue's been outside for about a year, and this is how dirty it's gotten, which is not, I don't think, is dirty at all. But we're gonna take you through some steps to clean it up if you'd like. All right, some things you're gonna need for cleaning a marble statue are, first, water. I mean, you can use a bucket or a hose. Either one's fine. Sponge. We like to use some Dawn, some soap. And then if there's ever any spots that are really giving you trouble, you use a brush. And if there's any real spots that give you trouble, you can use some very fine sandpaper. But the first step is always just soap and water. If you're having a tough spot, say one little piece that won't get off, use a little Dawn, and then you see this spot. This is just a pollen spot. Use a little Dawn. It comes right off. Here's another spot. You can always use a brush as well. That'll give it some extra friction to remove it. If you have a really tough spot, say sap or something like that, just take a small piece of sandpaper. It really has to be fine sandpaper because you don't want to take off anything to it. And see that spot right there? This will take off the top layer, a very thin layer of the marble, but it'll remove anything that's like really ingrained in there, like sap or anything sticky. Okay, so we're gonna finish up cleaning up this statue, and he's gonna look absolutely perfect after this.